Alright, how you doing? Mike, Innovative Door, part 2. Obviously, you can see the new bottom section. We did this while the customer waited. He's coming back in a few, but there's a brand new lock on there, handle, pull cord. Dun, dun, dun. Alright. This thing rolls like a dream. All new rollers, okay? Couple new hinges here and there, okay? Fully lubed, oiled, and ready to go. Upstairs here, you got the spring. You can see the oil we put on there. So that's it. That's a wrap for this one. Another box truck door repaired by yours truly. Let me make the jump. Ooshk. There it is, ready to roll. Give us a call, 630-271-9343, www.innovativedoor.com. Smash that subscribe button if you're new. Smash the like button. Drop a comment. Thank you for your subscription. Bless you all. And as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching our another truck door bottom section video repair done sweet by Innovative. Thank you very much. Bye now.